What's up, folks? This is Derek from Vic's World Famous Chicken in the Cooler. We're out here at Kirby's Barbecue out here in New Caney. They are out here doing great things. Beautiful spot. You can see the smoke bellowing outside already. It sits right off the highway. There's no way you can miss it as you're coming down on your way down the road. You can come and get some of this great barbecue. He's got brisket, he's got turkey, he's got sausage. Anything that you like smoked, he can get it for you. Catering, everything. Kirby's Barbecue, come and see it. Got its seating area and everything. Let's go check inside and see what Sean is doing on this great establishment down here in New Caney. Oh!
Some of those house-made sausage links right there.
So how long did it take you to make the sausage, Sean?
So it's a couple-day process. So yesterday I ground all the meat.
Yeah.
Mixed all the seasonings, cased it, cold smoked it yesterday.
Okay.
Ice bath into the refrigerator, and then this morning put them on until they're nice, hot.
Ooh.
Casing on the outside is nice and crisp. Got the cheese oozing out.
I see that cheese. Y'all see that cheese? I can't wait to bite one of them. Ah, getting some this. And you usually run your pit at what temperature? Does it vary or?
I usually run at about 275.
275.
That's
see
the
that
goal
smoke?
temperature, at least. That's where we're trying to get to. So
Gotcha.
it might start off a little lower, 225, gradually go up to 250, but eventually we want to get up to 275.
Gotcha.
It's like the perfect temperature for cooking because it's not too hot where you're going to burn stuff up.
Right.
But it's hot enough to get it done quick.
What's your address out here?
20463.
20463, there it is, folks. Come on out here and get some. It's right off the highway. There's no way you can miss it. You can see the smoke across the street.
Yeah, I mean, at first, when we first started doing it, everybody was saying no. We have a little bit of an older population here, and a lot of them just don't drink alcohol. We kept getting that. But as we started getting more people from further away, big parties, younger people,
Gotcha.
30s, 40s,
Gotcha.
50s, they're like, free beer? Oh yeah, I'm being definitely here.
Free beer? I can warm up right here before I go.
Yep.
So Sean, what did you just take off right there?
So that is pulled pork and brisket.
Pulled pork and brisket, yeah.
We're reheating for some of the side items.
Gotcha.
And the tacos. We're gonna move these ribs closer to the firebox, get them finished off. That's something with these smokers, you can kind of manage your cook in a way to where like you don't want to burn up the ribs too quick.
Gotcha.
Putting them right next to the firebox. Once they're wrapped and you want to finish them off,
Yeah.
the difference between temperature here and over here is a big difference.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when you're trying to get proteins off quick, you need them done. They're reaching close to opening. Slide them down closer to your firebox.
To your firebox, okay.
This is a big old turkey right here. We need that to be done.
Gotcha.
It's a little baby turkey that's going to be done. I know that.
So folks, the reason why he's explaining it to me because I'm a charcoal guy and he's a wood guy. So charcoal, you just put the charcoal under it and you just wait. Wood, there's more of an art. So you got to do a lot of moving, a lot of movement, paying attention. And that's why you see a lot of rookies burn their meat up when they're on the wood side because they have their pit so hot because they don't think it's cooking. So I will learn this craft. In Texas, it's almost a must that you have to.
Yes, sir. All right, so my turkey is lagging behind temperature-wise.
Gotcha.
It's a big piece of protein. We're going to put that in the back, closest to the firebox.
Got his wood stack. Son, you buy your wood by the cord?
I usually order half a cord.
Okay.
I usually order half a cord at a time. More digestible price.
Gotcha. Because when I lived in Louisiana, I used to sell firewood. Look at them ribs, folks.
What's that?
I was telling the folks to look at the bend in them ribs when he picks it up by the end of the aluminum foil. Top of that hot box, really?
We're in there.
Oh, turkey made it?
Done.
Ooh. Is that hot box really hot enough to cook breakfast on it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo!
Need your gloves. We eating good in the neighborhood over here, folks. Ooh, sausage. Go from this side this time. Oh, mine's right-handed. Look over there still.
Turkey first.
Little turkey, people.
Let's go big turkey. It's the best turkey you don't ever taste in your life.
And I don't even like turkey. That's nice. That's nice, folks. Peppery. I can taste the salt on the end. That's a nice flavor on that turkey. One. What the hell is happening? One.
Missed it. Two mac and cheese, huh? Mac and cheese.
Brisket, ribs, sausage, double mac and cheese. Can't forget that Texas toast. Oh, that's a staple right there for Texas.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta have pickles and onions.
Onions and jalapenos.
All right, folks, we're gonna dig on in here, man. We're at Kirby's Barbecue in New Caney, Texas. Man. Sausage. A little spicy. Nice bite. Definitely got a little spice on there. Nice crispy bite. Let's try this rib. Some type of sauce on there. Smoked. Gourmet. It's a little spicy too, and sweet. I'm just not sure what that sauce is. When you right off the bone bite. When in Texas. A little tater salad. Put this on. Something cool. Cools your palate out. It's not sweet. It's more like a dill potato salad. Still tasty though. And now, ooh, got brisket test. Oh, get mine fatty. Wow. Don't need no extra sauce. Salty, peppery, fatty. Everything you want in a brisket. Get a huge slice. Everything is great. Drinking water so it don't affect my palate. Everything is wonderful. The brisket, great flavor, super juicy, tender. Sausage, good snap. On the casing, jalapeno. Rib, a little sweet, a little heat on the end, and the tater salad balances it out. Old school fashion tater salad. Deal pile. This is Derek from Vic's World Famous Chicken and Cooler. Come on out to Kirby's. I have New Caney, Texas. He's doing big things in a small place. See ya. Smashed it down. Full.